Welcome you back again to another video lecture on C# programming, and in this video lecture we'll go ahead and look at a decision statement known as if statement. Alright, so in C#, we allow the system, or we make decisions, and we allow the system to carry out these and execute a proper action that is needed. Alright, so the ability for your system to make decisions exists, and we have what is called if statement, if else statement, else if statement, nested, switch case, and so on. But we're taking this step by step so that you can be able to understand what each of these things do. We're going to start off with if statement. So what is an if statement? If statement is a condition that tells the system to perform a particular task if the action or if the command is true. So if the command is true, then the system goes ahead and perform an action, but if the command is false, nothing is going to happen. So let's go ahead and look at an example of an if statement. Let's go ahead and create an integer of int x, and let x be equal to 15 and put a semicolon at the end. And now let's go ahead and say if x is equivalent to 10. So now we tell the computer, if you see x and value of x is equal to 10, then go ahead and print out console dot write line, and then tell the user, hello, welcome to C#. Welcome to C# programming. So hello, welcome to C# programming, and go ahead and place semicolon at the end. Now remember to put a console dot read key right here, and then go ahead and place semicolon at the end. So if go ahead and run this code, and so you can see that nothing is printed out because the condition is not met and x is not equal to 10. Alright, so x is not equal to 10, and that is why the condition is not met. Go ahead and remove this and put x to be equal to 15 and run this code again. Hello, welcome to C# programming. Can you see that because the condition is equivalent or the condition is met, it went ahead and execute whatever that is inside the if statement. So an if statement is a block of code, and if the condition is met, it go ahead and execute whatever that is inside, but if the condition is not met, it will not ever do anything. Alright, you can also say if x is less than or equal to 15, it will go ahead and do this job. Run this code. Can you see there? Now if go ahead and make the value of x to be equal to, let's go ahead and change the value of x to be equal to 1. Because we say that if x is less than or equal to 15, it should do this job. 1 is less than 15, and therefore this code is going to be implemented. Let's check it out again. So you can see, hello, welcome to C# programming is executed because 1 is less than 15, therefore anytime it sees anything less than 15, it will execute that. Or if x is equal to 15, it will be done. But it should go ahead and say that y is equal to 100 and run this code. It will not execute anything because x is greater than 15, therefore nothing will happen. Can you see it? Nothing happens. Alright? So in this way, you can be able to give command and expect the system to perform a particular action when a certain condition is met, and that condition can only be met if there is an if statement attached to it. So you always use the if statement to check if a particular condition is met before the system can be able to carry out the operation. So this is a way of making decision in computer or in computer programming. As you can see, go ahead and play around with it, and if you have any question, please go ahead and use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.